April 11th, 2023. How's it going, guys? Well, I got another video for you. I made a video yesterday. I cooked up some burnt ends and made some stuffed mushrooms. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make those stuffed mushrooms. So hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. So what we're going to need a flat pan. We're going to need a little bit of cooking oil. We're going to need some baby Bella whole mushrooms, and I'll show you what to do with them in a minute. Going to need a block of mozzarella cheese, but you're only going to use a quarter of that block, and you're going to shred it. I've already shredded that. We're going to have some lobster roll dip we're going to mix in with that, guys. Now, hold on. We want to preheat our oven to 400 degrees, and we want to have a skillet with a little bit of pats of butter like that. And I'll show you why in a second here. And you want to have this on about 350 medium heat. So hold on. Okay, guys, so I took some cooking pure vegetable oil and I put a little dab there. And I'm just going to take this napkin and I'm just going to rub it all over the pan. Just coat the bottom of the pan here, guys. That's all we're doing. Now that's done. So hold on. Okay, guys, so I'm having to film this and hold everything. So I got a fork there, a little salad fork, and we're going to pop those cores out. And I wanted you to see how I stuck that down in there. We're going to pull those cores out. We're going to put them on that little plate here, and we're going to chop that up. I'll show you that in a second. Okay, guys, I pulled the cores out of them. And if you have them, sometimes if they break on the side, don't worry about that because they're still going to be just as good. You can still stuff them and stuff. So hold on, and here are the stems. We're going to chop those up. Just take a small little knife and chop them up. I'll show that in a second, and I'll show you what we're going to do with them. So hold on. Okay, guys, we chopped those up with that little knife there, and we're going to put that in the skillet. So hold on. Okay, so we just dumped that in there, and we're just going to mix all that up with a little bit of that butter. And we're going to let this cook for about 5 minutes, just kind of watching it a little bit. Chop that up a little bit more. Alright, so hold on, guys. Okay, guys, you can see that butter's starting to kind of simmer a little bit around those pieces of the mushroom and the core there. Like I said, we're going to do this for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to put this in a bowl, and I'll show you how to mix this stuff up. So hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. Now, I just got that out of the skillet. I put that there in that little bowl. We have our cheese, and we have our lobster dip. And then I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to put about, probably 3. We'll see, about 3 scoops and some of the cheese in there. So hold on. Okay, guys, just to show you how much of that lobster, the dip like I put in there, that's about how much. And now I'm going to put the cheese. So hold on. Okay, now I've mixed it all up. I left a little bit of cheese to put that on the very top. So now we're going to fill all these, and I'll show you what it looks like after I fill them. So hold on, guys. Okay, guys, that's what they look like. Now we're going to put the rest of that cheese, just top it off with a little bit of cheese on top. So hold on. Okay, it's time to pop them in the oven, and you got to keep an eye on them. I have electric ovens, so it's going to be about 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes, guys. So hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. Thought I'd make a couple frozen fish patties with those mushrooms tonight. So let's see how this turns out, guys. Check it out, guys. They're done. Just waiting on the fish. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys. Check it out. Don't those look good? Couple fish patties there. stuffed mushrooms. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. Have a good one, guys.